A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start chapter linear inequalities of class 11th. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed topics related to linear inequalities and some questions related to this chapter. So in today's lecture I will discuss some questions related to linear inequalities. So let us start with a question. Now question is, solve minus 2 is less than 1 minus 3x is less than 7. So this inequalities we have to solve. Now see, now solution is the given inequalities, since minus 2 is less than 1 minus 3x is less than 7. So we have to operate minus 1 in this inequality. So minus 2 minus 1 is less than 1 minus 3x minus 1 is less than 7 minus 1. Now this result will be minus 3 is less than this one, minus 1 will cancel out, so minus 3x is less than 6. So suppose you are going to divide by 3 in this inequality, divide by 3. Divide by 3. Now result will be minus 1 is less than minus x is less than 2. See, minus 1 is less than minus x minus 2 or 2. So multiply by minus 1, multiply by minus 1. So this inequality will be 1 is greater than x is greater than minus 2. So see, means x is less than 1 and x is less than minus 2, more than minus 2. So this inequalities we can write minus 2 is, this inequalities we can write minus 2 is less than x, or x is more than minus 2 and less than 1. So this is the answer. Now when you will convert on number line, so on number line, this one we can write x belongs to minus 2 to 1 in open interval. On number line, suppose this is x or this is 0 and now this is minus 2, this is 1. So intervals will be, this is x is more than minus 2 less than 1 and reason will be, or x belongs to minus 2 to 1 in open interval. Now this is the answer. See, this is the answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is solve Question number 2. Question number 2 is solve x minus 5 upon x plus 2 is less than 0. Is less than 0. Now in this case, in this question, there will be two cases. So which are two cases? You will see. See the solution. Now solution is given inequalities. Given x minus 5 upon x plus 2 is less than 0. Now case 1. Suppose we are going to consider case 1. Case 1. So in case 1, we are taking x minus 5 is less than 0. X minus 5 is less than 0. Or x plus 2 is more than 0. X plus 2 is more than 0. So this is the inequalities. When you will take this is less than 0, so you will take greater than 0 in case of less than 0. So this implies we can write x is less than 5 and x is greater than minus 2. X is less than 5 and greater than minus 2. So x is less than 5 and greater than minus 2. Combinedly we can write x is greater than minus 2 and less than 5. Now this is our solution. Solution set is, or solution is x is greater than minus 2 and less than 5. Now case 2. Case 2, suppose in case you are taking x is means x minus 5 is more than 0 and x plus 2 is less than 0, then this will be negative. So when you will take x minus 5 is more than 0, in case you will get x is more than 5 and x is less than minus 2. So x is more than 5 and x is less than minus 2. Now not possible, so that this will be rejected. No solution. When you will draw number line, on number line we can say no solution. Why? Reason is this is 0, this is minus 5 and suppose this is 2. This is 5, suppose this is 5 and this is suppose minus 2. So greater less than minus 2, so this will be the reason, and more than 5, this is the reason. So there is no solution. You can see there is no solution, and its result when you will write, so x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 in open interval union 5 to infinity. This is no solution. Solution is x is more than minus 2 and less than 5. So this one when you will draw number line, so this is minus 2 suppose and this is 5. So more than less than 5 is this reason, and more than minus 2 is this reason. So this is our reason in which x lies. Now for this reason x belongs to minus 2 to 5 in open intervals. Now this is the solution set. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Now question number 3 is Question number 3 is solve -2 minus x by 4 is less than equal to 1 plus x by 3 is less than, or this is our question. -2 is -2 minus x by 4 is less than equal to 1 plus x by 3 comma 3 minus x comma 3 minus x is less than 4 times x minus 3. Now this is our question. So we have to solve these two inequalities. There are two inequalities given. So one by one we have to solve. So see, now solution is, first of all, given inequality is -2 minus x by 4, given -2 minus x by 4 is less than equal to 1 plus x by 3. Now this one when we will solve by using LCM, so -8 minus x by 4 is less than equal to 1 plus x by 3. This is our expression. And suppose you are going to multiply by 24, so what you will get the result? 4 3s are 12, LCM is 12, so multiply by 12 on both the side. So after solving, what you will get the result? You will get -24 minus 3x is less than equal to 4 plus 4x. 4 plus 4x. Now -24 minus 4, or we can write minus 4x on both the side. So -24 minus 3x minus 4x is less than equal to 4 plus 4x minus 4x. This is cancelled. So -24 minus 7x is less than equal to 4. So minus 7x is less than equal to, or minus 7x, or minus 24 minus 7x plus 24 is less than equal to 24 plus 4. Now this is cancelled. Now this result will be minus 7x is less than equal to 28. Minus 7x is less than 28. Now minus x will less than equal to 4. This implies we can say x is more than equal to minus 4. X is more than equal to minus 4. X is more than equal to minus 4 is the first inequality. Consider one. Now second is 3 minus x is less than 4 times x minus 3. So 3 minus x is less than 4x minus 12. Now suppose you are going to operate 3 minus x minus 4x is less than 4x minus 12 minus 4x. This is 3 minus 5x is less than minus 12. So minus, or 3 minus 5x minus 3 is less than minus 12 minus 3. So minus 5x is less than minus 15, and x is more than 3. X is more than 3. See. So from consider this is in equation 2. This is in equation 2. Now using, or from 1 and 2, what will be the solution set? What will be the solution set? Suppose on number line, on number line, suppose this is 0, this is minus 4 and this is 3. Now more than 3 in case this will be the solution, and more than minus 4 means greater equal to minus 4. So overlapping part is here. Common region is from x to or 3 to infinity. So what will be the solution set? Solution set will be x is more than 3. Now we can write solution set x is more than 3 to infinity. Now this is the answer, or x is more than 3. Now see, this question is completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Now question number 4 is, two x minus 7 is less than 11, comma 3x plus 4 is less than minus 5. This is the inequalities, given two inequalities, and we have to solve this. So now in this question again we have to take first inequality. Given 2x minus 7 is less than 11 and 3x plus 4 is less than minus 5. So now since or given 2x minus 7 is less than 11, this implies 2x minus 7 plus 7 is less than 11 plus 7. So this term will cancel out. Now 2x is less than 18. Now divide by 2 on both the side. So result will be x is less than 9. X is less than 9. Now x is less than 9 means x belongs to on number line. When you will draw 0, this is 9. So x is less than 9 in case this is the solution set. When you will draw on number line, means minus infinity to 9. So x belongs to minus infinity to 9. Now see, second is 3x plus 4 is less than minus 5. So 3x plus 4 minus 4 is less than minus 5 minus 4. Now this is cancelled, so 3x is less than minus 9. So divide by 3 on both the side. So result will be x is less than minus 3. So x is less than minus 3 means minus 3 means when you will draw on number line. So on number line, when you will see 0, this is minus 3. So less than minus 3 in case this is the reason. Now x is less than minus 3 means minus infinity to minus 3. Now solution set, both solution set, consider this is 1 and this is 2. This is 2. Now solution set on number line again, this is 0, this is -3 and this is 9. Suppose, so when you will see x is less than 9, so this will be arrow, or less than -3, less than -3, again this part will overlap, so this will be the reason. And now solution set, what will be the solution set? Solution set will be x is less than -3. Solution set we can say x is less than -3 or x belongs to -infinity to -3 in open interval. Now this is the answer. This is the answer. Now this question is completed. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is (3 minus) is less than -7. Suppose 3 minus 4x is less than -7. Now given inequality, you know, first of all we will write given inequality 3 minus 4x is less than -7. So 3 minus 4x minus 3 is less than -7 minus 3. We have operated -3 on both the sides. So -3, this will cancel out. So 4x is less, -4x is less than -10. Now x will be more than -10 by -4 and the result will be 5 by 2. Result will be more than 5 by 2. More than 5 by 2. Now more than 5 by 2 means on number line, when you will see number line representation, consider this is equation 1. On number line, more than 5 by 2 means this is 2.5, this is 5, so this will be 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2. So more than 5 by 2 in case this will be the reason. So solution set, that is x belongs to 5 by 2 to infinity in open interval. 5 by 2 to infinity in open interval, or x is more than 5 by 2. Now this is the answer. See, now this question is totally completed.